Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So now for the tomato salsa. I'm going to go into a few overripe tomatoes. I'm using about 4 to 5 here. So you want to chop those up into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to crush those with a potato masher to achieve nice thick chunks. To that I'm going to add an jalapeno. This is a whole jalapeno. Just wanted to show you what that looks like. And I already have some pre-chopped. But to give you a reference on the jalapeno, if you want your jalapenos to not be so spicy, you want to remove a bit of the seeds because that's where all of those spices lie. Now you want to chop that finely. Then we're going to add half of a chopped red onion to the tomatoes, 1 garlic crushed, and you add that right in. We have here some cilantro. You don't want to use too much because this is very tangy, and I'm also going to be going in with a few parsley leaves. Chop those up, and we're just going to toss that right in. We're going to add ½ teaspoon of dried oregano, and we're going to roll out 1 lime, and this is to burst the pulp to ensure that we get enough juice from it. Cut that and squeeze over a strainer just to prevent any seeds from falling in. And we're going to season with a ½ teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Mix that up, and then we're going to go in with 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and instantaneously realize how that gives you a vibrant red color. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon of white vinegar to preserve it. Mix that up and you have the perfect tomato salsa. Look at that. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.